Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. It's the 50th lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is be. Here's a picture of kids who can be anything they want. Here's be in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. Be means to exist or to take place. It is also an auxiliary verb. Be. Past progressive, was being, past was or were. Present progressive, being. Present, am, is, are. Future, will be. Let's build a sentence. You are. Today, we will use the present tense. Let's build a sentence. You are... What? What are you doing? You are making. Okay. Be is, in my opinion, the most important verb in the English language. To be considered fluent, you must master the be verb and all of its tenses. You must never forget it in sentences. You must always use it correctly. Even though it is such a small word, it is so important to everything in the language. Let's build a sentence. You are making... What? What are you making? You are making me proud. Very true. Let's build a sentence. You are making me proud. Why? Why are you making me proud? You are making me proud to be your teacher. Let's build a sentence. You are making me proud to be your teacher. What? What else? You are making me proud to be your teacher, and I can't wait. Can't wait. Let's build a sentence. You are making me proud to be your teacher, and I can't wait. Why? Why can't I wait? And I can't wait to see you succeed in the future. See how we built a sentence. This is why I want you all to think about the question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder video lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. I am so proud of all you have learned and the questions you have asked. Thank you so much for studying with me. I am proud of you all. Keep up the great work.